guys, it is Wolf Girl here with another video. Today, I heard there was a bunch of wolves coming around my area and the state of Massachusetts. So, I'm gonna see what wolves are. If I probably heard, you probably did hear wolves from Wolf Central, who is my boyfriend. So if you want to go check him out, I'm gonna put his link down below. I don't know why my thing keeps scratching, but I will put his link down below so you guys can go follow him. He is a really good person, YouTuber. So let's just look up wolves here. Not Wolf's Pub. Wolves. Yeah, the animal wolves. I kind of saw, see if I can find the picture. Let's see if I can turn my camera around. I don't think I can turn my camera around, but if you can see that little guy, there you go. I saw him in the woods. I didn't see the exact him, but I did see a little tiny wolf. Wasn't that color? It was like a blackish color. I don't think I can really find that kind of wolf, but I did see it. Let's see if I can find a bigger wolf that will probably look exactly the same. This kind of wolf right here is the wolf. Well, I didn't see that wolf, but I saw a baby wolf, which is really cute. But when I tried to go pet it, it kind of growled at me, so it ran off. So heads up, do not go over pet wolves. They can either growl at you, jump on you, or scratch your skin off. I'll say that right now. I will be going live probably tomorrow at school with Wolf Central. He is an awesome guy. He talks about wolves too. That's why his name was Wolf Central. Yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow.